Hello everyone, Rahul, Shah here, trying to make investing accessible and profitable for the average investor. Today, we are diving into a stock that's been making big waves, MMTC. You've probably noticed its share price soaring lately. It's up around 20% in just the last week, nearly 40% in the last month, and an amazing 60% over the past 3 months. That's a strong run. So, what's causing this sudden jump? Usually, at this time of the year, company earnings reports mostly drive stock prices. But here's the puzzle with MMTC. Its latest quarterly results aren't good. In fact, profits crashed from 70 crores in March 2024 to a tiny rupees 2 crores this past quarter. So clearly, quarterly results are not the reason for this rise. Something else must be at play. So I did some digging, and a quick online search about MMTC's recent surge does not reveal any new big news. The general buzz on the internet suggests that this rally is mostly due to interest in public sector undertakings or PSUs, stocks in general, rather than any real changes in MMTC's business. It seems more like speculation is driving the price up. Now it's interesting to note that MMTC's peer STC, State Trading Corporation, has also seen a recent jump. STC is up about 25% in the last month and 44% over the last 3 months. This further supports the idea that it might be a general trend for PSU stocks right now. Now let's talk about the valuations of MMTC. When we look at its current price, it does not appear cheap at all. Actually, at these prices, the potential risks for investors seem higher than the potential rewards. Let me explain why. The company's P multiple, which compares its share price to its earnings, is currently very high at 120 times. Historically, its average PE has been closer to 60 times. Also, its current price to book value, which compares its market price to its net worth, is 7 times, while its long-term average is around 4 times. So whether you look at PE or price to book, MMTC stock seems about twice as expensive as its historical averages. MMTC's earnings power, or how much it can earn in a normal year, has been quite unpredictable as well. Its profits have swung wildly from a loss of Rs 70 crores to a profit of 1600 crores, and then again down to 90 crore rupees in the latest financial year. This kind of makes it hard to set a fair value for the stock. On a positive note, MMTC does have a strong balance sheet because it has no debt, which is of course great. However, it's important to remember that MMTC was losing money for many years. In fact, its net worth actually turned negative in the financial year 2022 because of these ongoing losses. Then came the financial year 2023, which was a game changer for MMTC. The company reported a massive one-time income of 1400 crore rupees. This huge gain came from a special settlement of some old outstanding dues related to border trade. It was this single event that completely turned the company's fortunes around. That exceptional gain of 1400 crores helped turn its negative net worth back into positive. Also, its debt, which was more than 2600 crore rupees, shrunk significantly to just 200 crore rupees. So this one-time income was truly what changed everything for the company financially. But other than this one-off event, there isn't much to highlight about MMTC's basic business strength. In my view, I don't believe the company deserves the high 120 times P multiple it's currently trading at, nor the 7 times price to book value. There are many other companies out there that are fundamentally stronger, have a much better track record, and brighter growth prospects, and they are available at much lower prices. Therefore, the chances of MMTC stock continuing to perform well from here and becoming a top performer don't seem very high. The recent rise in its share price appears to be driven by speculation with no strong underlying business improvements to support it. That's my opinion on the stock. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I'll wrap up this short video here. I'll see you again in the next session. Goodbye and happy investing.